So I'm going to be teaching you thumb method. So to do this, you just need to think about the size of yarn that you're going to need to put your stitches on. I'm only going to do 10 stitches, so I won't need very much yarn. So let's get going. So first off, hold your yarn in your two hands. With your thumb in your left hand, if you are right-handed, you're going to wrap your thumb around it. Let's do that again. You go over and round, and you create a little loop. One more time, over the top and round. Then in this hand, you're going to grab the yarn with your right pinky and wrap it like so. Then you're going to put your needle through the loop, wrap around, pull the loop over and pull tight. Let's do that again. So wrap your thumb, wrap around and pull down. Wrap your thumb, put it in, put your yarn in your right hand under and over, round and in. And you're just going to keep on doing that method. The more you do this, the quicker and easier it becomes, until you've got the amount of stitches that you require. You will need to keep tension on this yarn, but not too tight, as that will make your stitches, let me show you, if I do that really tight, really hard to move about on your knitting needle. If they're nice and loose, just release that and ease it off a bit. It makes it a lot easier for you to knit with. So keep on doing that until you get the required amount of stitches, like so.